If you have suffered a very serious injury or the death of someone you love, you may not want to watch this. Not because of the graphics, but that it could be emotionally disturbing. However, because your loss is so important, and because what lawyer you choose is so very important, you need to know exactly how your case and loss will be handled by Gordon and Elias, L.L.P. There are other videos that are available on this page that are not as emotionally charged. Mom, thank you so much. Everything was delicious.
You know, you really have to come more often.
It has been too long, hasn't it?
So, are you ready to go?
Yeah, we really should be hitting the road.
Oh, so soon?
Yeah, she's got a ballet lesson. So, a little ballerina. Yeah.
Being involved in a truck accident is a serious and life-changing event. My name is Steve Gordon, and I'm with the law firm of Gordon and Elias. If in your accident there was a serious injury or death, you will need competent legal representation. You will need experienced truck accident lawyers to represent you. One aspect of truck accident representation is getting the person the right medical care that they need. Depending upon the injury is depending upon what type of medical expert you need to treat you. At Gordon and Elias, we make sure that this occurs. If in your accident a spouse has been killed, the grieving process will take years and years to get over. The additional problem is the economic hardship that is created in the short term, that is while your case is pending, and then of course in the long term after your case is resolved. At Gordon and Elias, we are keenly aware of these problems and we deal with them with you. When you come to Gordon and Elias, we will literally get to know you personally and your family personally. The process of litigation takes time, and in that process we literally become friends, not just your lawyers. So anticipate with Gordon and Elias not just getting good representation, but actually getting almost an extension of your family. Not every case goes to trial, but some cases do. At Gordon and Elias, there is 40 years of combined trial experience available to you. The best experts are utilized, the best doctors, and the case is presented using the best electronic means, and sometimes just a good old-fashioned poster board will do. The point is that the trial will be presented in a way that is most professional, but really brought down to where the juror understands the grief, the pain, the sadness that you've experienced. Because at the end, they're going to be asked to award monetary damages. And we don't want them to be shy when they do that. We wish you had not gone through what you had to go through in order to end up contacting us. But you have. And the law allows in every state you to recover money. That's what we do. And we want to get you the most money possible. So in the end, when all is said and done, you can take that money and go and live your life the best you can. Even if somebody's no longer in your life, they would have wanted that for you. So you need to hire lawyers that are going to do just that. And at Gordon and Elias, we pledge to you to do that.